Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today I'll guide you on how to download and install Skype on your MacBook. Skype is a great app for video calls, voice calls and messaging. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. So first of all, open your preferred web browser and after then type your skype.com and now choose downloads and now choose Get Skype for Mac. And here you can see that it is being downloaded. Click on it after downloading. Hold the file into the Applications folder. And that's it. You have successfully installed Skype on your MacBook. If you want to open it, click on it and click on this Open button. And now you can use it with your login email and password. That's all about the guide on how to download and install Skype on your MacBook. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.